Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back. We are looking at the nice clean, just had it waxed today, Smoke Show 2021 Charger wide body, as you can see. If you watched our previous videos, you know that we're going to be looking at the cold air intake from JLT Series 2, and actually that's today's installation. Also wanted to point out, if you watched my last video, we did these grid ready tail light lens tint in there, and actually had it on here for about a week now, and it's actually growing on me. I wasn't quite sure if I was going to like it, but I think I might just keep them. And actually now I want to take a look at the tint there for the side markers. Looking to do that next. But as you can see, nice and clean. And we are going to, I didn't bore you guys with the whole unboxing. There's a lot of videos on the unboxing, but this is going to be a pretty straightforward install. We just installed, didn't do a video on it, but just installed a cold air intake from K&N on my son's Chrysler 300, and that thing kicked our rear. It had probably 15 pieces on it, and it was crazy. So this is pretty simple looking compared to that one. So got the air box there. What I really liked in comparison to the K&N, the little foam rim here, I guess, the rubber seal there that you end up putting on. It already came on it from JLT. Whereas with the K&N, we actually had to do it ourselves, and it took a little cutting. So I definitely appreciate JLT doing that before shipping it. Got the filter there, which looks just like a K&N. A few other pieces and grommets, and apparently I'm only going to need an 8mm socket and a flathead screwdriver to go ahead and do this install. So we'll probably do just a quick time-lapse video. It's not going to be very difficult. There's other videos out there I've already watched, and you know, I do know there's some options with taking the factory air box out in a couple pieces or just one piece and bring it all out all together. So that's probably what I'm going to do. And then we'll throw the other one in there. Maybe we'll get a little bit before and after sounds from the engine bay. Don't know how that's going to sound on this camera. If you did watch my last video with the window tint, I'm sorry, the tail light tint, you'll know that I had some focus issues, so looking to get myself a camera there, so a better mic and better focus. But we'll get before and after on that, test drive it and make sure it's up to par. And then actually tomorrow's supposed to be a good day. I'm looking to take this out and maybe do an update, full walk around of everything that we've done. And actually we have the catch can, the oil catch can, so I'll probably try to knock that out this weekend as well. And that way the next walk around video will include the catch can, the cold air intake, the rear end front mud flaps, and the tail light tint as well. And I'm still looking for that hood wrap. I did talk to somebody here locally that doesn't got a quote, and looking to do that as well, some satin black hood wrap. So all right, we'll go ahead and get started. All right, that is it. We are done. Took about 20 minutes. I was able to take off the factory air box in one piece. Just started with the front clamp here on the throttle body, and then one bolt down over here on the air box. Left the filter and the lid on as is. This was very straightforward. Pretty much put this together in 2 or 3 pieces. Have the air temperature sensor back here. There was a grommet there. That's definitely interesting, trying to fit those in there. Had one grommet here for the wiring so it doesn't fray on the side of the airbox. And then one tube here. And that is it. Don't know if you was able to hear a difference between the before and after. But I did find 2 or 3 YouTube videos where folks were doing this JLT Series 2 cold air intake and then taking it to the dyno, and it showed an average of 8-10 horsepower gain and torque. I did watch one YouTuber, they did one shop did the cold air intake, and I want to say it was an 87 mil throttle body upgrade, and collectively between those 2 mods they were able to get upwards of 20 horsepower. So but anyway, that is it. Pretty straightforward. We'll be sure to include the link down in the description there to JLT Performance Series 2, which I bought directly from American Muscle actually. I think it was $2.99, so it wasn't too bad. And as soon as I bought it, I swear they were out of stock after that. They started showing back order. So who knows, maybe I got the last one. Alright, well that's it. Everybody take care. Thanks.